Hello everyone, welcome to Johnny's NetSec YouTube channel. In my previous video, I showed you how to use two lines of command to install a clean Ubuntu image to your ARM-based virtual machine and also install desktop and xRDP with sound support. Unfortunately, there's a small performance issue that RDP access from your Windows to Linux xRDP will have lagging, especially your sound will be delayed. It's not because of the ARM-based virtual machine not powerful enough. It's because Windows RDP protocol not that compatible with xRDP software. So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy and fast way to resolve it using a small piece of open source software. Let's start it. As I always do, I list all steps in high level to show you what we're going to do in this lab. So there's probably 5 steps. We're gonna test RDP without FRP installed and configured. So you will see that kind of lagging issue I'm showing. Then we're gonna download FRP package and configure frpc, frps, and then open a Cloud Firewall to allow the new port to go through, and then test RDP with FRP using Windows MSTSC command. Also, you will find all command line from my blog post, which I'm gonna list in the video description. You will find all script or command with screenshot to show you how you can do it step by step as well. Now, as you can see, I already installed Ubuntu Desktop and xRDP. We got this new username, RDP user, and password, RDP user _ password, which we already did in my previous video. So let's test it again to see the lagging issue. So we are going to use Microsoft MSTSC remote desktop connection. I haven't run any other command. What I did in this VM is just using wget to download the script and then install, which you already saw it in previous video. Now let's start testing. You can hear the sound is choppy and not smooth as we thought. But it's come out the sound. That's the problem we're facing. We're gonna fix that using FRP.
Nice ride. Want to give it a spin? Oh, he's upside
The sound just came out after we paused the video. So it's delayed a lot for the sound, which is not acceptable. How are we gonna fix it? So let's start install frpc and frps and configure it, and then we can test it again. Let's start with download the latest FRP package and extract it. We can follow the link in my blog post to go to the latest FRP version 0.39.1. We're gonna using ARM 64, so you can just copy the link address, go back to your SH session, and then paste the link in. It won't take 5 seconds, so you can get it. Now we need to extract the content. We are using tar command. And then from there you can see the frpc and frpc.ini and also frps, frps.ini. So we're gonna copy those frpc and frps file into the system folder and create a service for that. Of course, we also need to modify the ini file for the configuration. Let's start from frpc.ini file. So I already created one. You can use same configuration as I did here and modify a bit based on your need. Basically, we're gonna tell our FRPC to open port 13389 and it will be forwarding to 3389. And when they talk to FRPS, they're gonna use in token 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and on the port 7000. And FRPS is on a local server IP address 127.0.0.1. Save it. Then we need to copy FRPC and ini file to the system folder. Also, we need to create a service for that. So we're gonna copy frpc.service file to the etc systemd system folder. Change the permission for this file. And let's go back to etc FRP folder. We're gonna copy frpc file to the usr bin folder and gonna change it to executable. And then we're gonna start this service And now we can, after start service, we can check if this service is running. So let's basically reconfigure the FRPC. So next step, we're gonna do same thing for the FRPS. We're gonna copy the files over. We're gonna modify frps.ini file a little bit. We need to add token in. That's the only change you need to make. We're gonna copy frps.service file to the system folder. We're gonna change the permission. We're gonna go back to our FRP folder to enable the service. Let's copy frps file to USR bin folder and change it to the executable. And start the service. Don't forget to verify to make sure FRPS is running. So now all configuration has been done. We need to enable both frpc.service to start it when system booted. In that case, even your system rebooted, both services gonna start it automatically. So we finished all configuration for FRPC and for FRPS. Both has been done. And now we have one last step to do. We need to open the Cloud Firewall and test RDP. So let's go back to our web GUI. Previously, I allowed port 3389. Now we need to add a new rule. Ingress for all IP address inbound. We're gonna use in TCP port. Source port will be all destination port 13389. This is FRPC port. Add it in. So we have two rules, one for 3389, one for 13389. That's in your cloud security group. So all configuration has been done. We configured the FRPC, FRPS, both services, and we also configured our firewall to allow port 13389. The next step is just testing. So we can start our MSTSC from our Windows machine, and we're gonna put the IP address. So the new change will be put the port number 13389, which is our FRPC port. So eventually they were gonna be forward to the local 3389 port. So we do connect using RDP user, password RDP user _ password. So make sure you reboot your ARM machine. Just clean out all your caches, all those stuff. You also can run cloning browser from your ARM machine. So we already installed it from previous script. Let's run YouTube. Immediately you can hear sound right away, and it's beautiful. It's working well, much better, much smooth experience than previously. Previously we can tell the sound was delayed quite a bit. So that it is what I want to show you today in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you found anything useful in this video, please give me a thumb up. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.